Hello everyone, Cyberman here with a review for Twinferno. Actually, it's more of an upgrade for the Bumblebee pack with Fengree. I just wanted to test it out and yeah, it's okay, I'll be honest, it's a little loose, but it still kind of works. So, here's the backpack right here. Essentially, it's like a special add-on for the wings to turn the wings to like a sort of a kind of like a shield blade in a way. And there, where the headmaster can sit on. And the cool thing is this little handle piece can, this little handle piece can be switched around from this side to this side. Nice. And the thing is about this this gun, I'm pretty sure mine, this gun right here, if when you see the link, you can already tell this looks like, hey, this thing looks like it's broken, because it pretty much was. Because I'm pretty sure I don't remember a piece falling off earlier. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this came out this way, but honestly, I'm not gonna bother with a refund. Because I am too tired for that shit. But yeah, you can try out this for yourself. I just did because I wanted to see. Now, what you want to do with these is basically take the wings off like this. Takes a little force. Shit, sorry. A little force on that one. There we go. And what you want to do is like essentially do this, like get the wings like this. Well, actually, my bad. It's supposed to be like something like this, I believe. No. Well, you get the idea. It's like that. Like that, and then like this, so. And check it out. You got a cool shield blade. Then you can connect right here. And you have sort of a wing action. Now, I actually do like the idea of this. However, the way this is, I know it's meant to be a shield blade thing, but if done right, take these into consideration, creating a piece that not only could circulate, but it could also extend the wings. I might actually make it for myself because I think I can do it. I'll just take a little tinkering. Yeah, and keep in mind, you can always, hang on, let me just, you can't really tell that little black stuff is how kind of hard it is to put it in. Hang on. Cool. And to really take it out, there's this guy. Well, actually, no. Hang on. Just do that. And now he has a cool jet. It's actually kind of cool how this works. Well, again, with the tail, this is how it's supposed to look. In the pictures of Fengri, I'm assuming his mold right here is different, and that's why it actually fits. Because when you do this thing, like this, it doesn't do that. And you do that, splits apart. So I got no idea. I'm probably doing it wrong, or it's just meant to be Fengri. But yeah, this could still work. But I think I might, again, do something different. You know, might as well transform this thing to show you how, even though he has two heads for hands, Hang on. Let's see. Those are his gun. What was his first guns? And then just gotta flip this over a bit. Yeah, there you go. And now you got like a blaster slash shield blade. And the gun, of course, fits in as well. Just fixing his head. And there you go. Is that really the greatest thing? Is at least for my figure? But at least you know what you could do if you have Fangry. Again, as for disclaimer, I literally not sure about this. This, however, there are many options you can choose. And I gotta say, I like the idea. Granted, it should be really better. Be a little better than that, but still. And again, there's always room for improvement. But this is just my opinion on it, because I really wanted to get something for him. And when I saw this, I said, screw it, why not just make it for him? Because he has blasters. And now he has wing blades. Pretty much, and that's how good it is. There you go. Depending on how you transform him and everything, it's really kind of hard to, do that. Hang on. So, there you go. So there you are. And I gotta double check the name. Yeah, there you are. The 115 Studio YYW14 upgrade kit for Buzzworthy Bumblebee Fangry. Yeah, I had to really read that. But yeah, it's a kind of a stretch for how much it is, but I kind of did it for the free shipping. So, yeah. Kind of worth the $20, give or take. Again, I do not know if Fangry is the same, but I'm pretty sure he's not. So, yeah, be advised on whatever you want to do with your character, whatever upgrades you want. And, yeah, go at it, have fun. So, there you are. Twinferno upgrade. Basically, I'm just going to probably do that. Yeah, I kind of had an off day, and I might make a small announcement on post because I am not doing it on video. So yeah, it's just been crap. So there you are, the upgrade kit for Fangry attached to Twinferno, and as always, see you next time.